बद्री और उनकी दुल्हनिया।
नमस्कार आप सभी को। हम सबका इतनी प्रेम से आओ भगत करने के लिए बहुत बहुत प्रणाम करते हैं हम आपको। हमारा नाम है बद्रीनाथ
और हम हैं शायद बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया।
और ये है, बताइए सर आपका नाम?
कन्यादान करने आए हैं। कौन करने वाला है कन्यादान? मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. We're very proud to present our first theatrical trailer of Badrinath Ki Dulhania. As you know, it's the second in the Love franchise for Dharma Productions in the Dulhania series. We promised to make 3. For that, you have to make sure the second one really rocks. The first one really worked for us, and the second one is Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and then there'll be something else Ki Dulhania in the third one. This is like a concept that we had to do Varun and Alia in a Love franchise. Shashank Khaitan helms all 3 films, and this is Varun and Alia's 3rd film together. They started their careers as Student of the Year, went on to prove their mettle in various other films before they landed up in the Love franchise of Dulhania with Humpty Sharma, and now we have Badrinath coming up. So now we're going to call our partners and the filmmaker and the lead actors of the film. I'd like to invite on stage our partners, well, not in crime, but in lots of love and great work. Vijay Singh from Fox. The director of this Love franchise, Shashank Khaitan. It's his 2nd film. Alia Bhatt. Thank you. Come, Vijay. No, I'll come. I'd like to thank Bhushan is in the house. I would like to thank Bhushan for all his support always. Bhushan, where are you? There. Thank you, Bhushan. Bhushan's been part of some amazing albums that Dharma Productions have produced, and collaborating with T-Series has always been a great experience. Thank you, Bhushan, for all your support always. Thank you. Right. That's them. Anyone for questions related to the film?
It was, to be very honest, it was really difficult, but I think I have this man on my right, Shashank Khaitan, who in Humpty changed me fully, and in this film he changed me. He always said this, that when you enter the office to meet me, Varun, just forget who you are, what your previous hits are. You have to just reinvent. And honestly, I'm a little nervous today because I'm actually feeling like this is like my first film or something. Because Badri is such a special character to me. He's so close to my heart. I just hope he gets the love that we put in to making him.
शादी होगी उसकी, शादी बन जाएगी या क्या हो जाएगा? सामने वाले की।
आलिया ये प्रश्न का उत्तर देगी।
मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन। हाँ, जिससे तुम्हारी शादी होगी उसकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी।
तो what do you feel that आप बनाओगी किसी की लाइफ या बिगाड़ोगी? It's basically what she's asking.
नहीं, I don't think मैं बिगाड़ने का मन रखती हूँ। Hopefully बन ही जाएगी। और रंग भी जाएगी।
मेरे हिसाब से आलिया बहुत ही अच्छी बहू बनेगी।
मतलब बीवी नहीं बनोगी अच्छी?
वो पता है,
बहू?
बहू रानी। I feel you will be a good बहू रानी।
But बहू to the सासू माँ?
To the सासू माँ।
So what about the husband?
That I can't say. I don't know.
ये थोड़ी ना होता है।
We've not done a film where we've got married actually. So we've always been before marriage.
तो पता नहीं है। तो how do you know I'll be a good बहू?
Because you're good with mothers.
What do you mean? What does a good bahu mean? I need to know.
नहीं बताओ हमको।
Only
जानना है।
a Punjabi boy can say things
Usually
like
the
this.
sasu ma likes her, the father likes her, and I think
How do you know my सासू माँ
you
will
will
like
manage
me?
the whole family. I think.
Thank you.
Manage?
Just calm down. We'll get
Yeah.
into the next question. Thank you.
हाय, मेरा सवाल आप तीनों से है कि यही ऑडी था, ऑडी 2 जिससे स्टूडेंट की शुरुआत हुई, देन बद्रीनाथ का भी यहीं पे पहला लॉन्च था और आज ये दिन है। किस तरीके से आप तीनों देखते हैं इस जर्नी को? लाइक करण, आप दोनों स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बता दें, और वरुण और आलिया अगर अपनी तरफ।
ये एक्चुअली हम कहीं और करने वाले थे ये ट्रेलर लॉन्च। जस्ट टू टेल यू कि वरुण ने हमें याद दिलाया कि दैट दिस इज हिज लकी। हैव यू अदर फिल्म्स हैव आल्सो बीन लॉन्च्ड हियर?
All films.
All your films. So we were actually going to be at Cinepolis. Not no offense to everyone at PVR, we love PVR. It's because there was a wider stage, I think, and they wanted to do this dance performance. But then Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium. So yes.
No, you complete, then I'll say.
You sound so excited. I suggest you go first. Yeah.
No, I said that Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium, and then I said that whenever I've gone from Komal Nata's show for my cast and crew, my film has always done well. So Komal, sir, you're very lucky for me.
We have to come to your show or
Right before the cast and crew. If
Right
Right before the cast and
that
crew.
means you're. Huh?
Now he has two
You have
shows.
2 shows. Acha, okay. So yes, as you know, we're completely cool contemporary kids who are not superstitious at all. So that's why we're in Audi 2. What do I say? I'm very excited. This is Varun's 3rd film with us, and Alia's 6th, I think. I'm just like, I've said it time and again. I feel immense pride and joy every time they're on screen. I feel like I'm watching my own.
वरुण, आलिया, आप भी अगर शेयर करें अपनी।
I mean, I again बहुत ही जैसे कि वरुण ने कहा कि actually when we both are nervous like it's our first film, so I think कभी-कभी हम भूल जाते हैं कि जर्नी भी है, और I think ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए because the excitement, the newness, the butterflies in the stomach, हर फिल्म के साथ यही होता है. And I don't know, Varun say something. पिछले time भी I think Varun was talking the most, so I think
No, I'll say something. This journey has been a journey of ups and downs, and I mean that in the best possible way, because my character does go through a lot of changes as the film progresses. I had a lot of alcohol. I consumed a lot of alcohol during this film. There are some behind the
for the character.
So I mean, it's been more emotional than other films of mine, which are more light-hearted in vein. This has a lot of fun, frolic, everything. There's a certain intensity and there's a certain change which the character goes through. So there were times when, I mean, I myself was angry sometimes on set. I was snapping at Alia and Shashank at times on set.
Sometimes you want to, Shashank, you want to tell them about the fights we've had?
I think we should hear it from Shashank about the experience, because he's worked with them probably more than I have.
Yeah, Varun, why were you snapping so much? That's a question to ask. But it's been a very interesting character. Both the characters have been interesting to work with them because, you know, as he pointed out, we are entering a world which probably they both have never seen before. And just to get the language correct, just to get the Malayu correct, it has been great fun to work with them. And I think the rest, hopefully the film will talk for itself.
Definitely one of the best things about this film is that we got a chance to go to Jhansi and shoot. We got a chance to go to Kota and shoot. There's no Dharma film that has ever been shot in Jhansi or Kota before this. No, I'm not saying that is a bad thing, but I'm just saying...
You just accused me.
No. What I mean is that this is very unlike other Dharma films. It's a new thing for Karan as well, I think.
It's Heartland.
Karan, hi. Yeah. The first part you all had mentioned is a tribute to...
Yes.
You all had mentioned the first part, Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, was a tribute to DDLG. What about the second part? Is it a tribute to any...
Yeah, we copy other movies every time like that. When you all see it, you'll find some 5-6 references. We are like that. We are not pretending to be original. Though we have been to Jhansi and Kota for the first time.
Okay, guys, first of all...
It's our debut.
विजय जी जैसा कि करण जी ने कहा कि ये झांसी और छोटे शहर की कहानी है और छोटे शहर के किरदार हैं, तो सिंगल थिएटर में आप कैसा देख रहे हैं?
देखिए जैसे आपने अभी सबने देखा, आई मीन you know you have a cast like this, talented, beautiful, a director who's got his finger in the belly button of India and guided by Karan. It can't get better than that, right? So I'm saying that a film like this is going to be released really wide, both in India as well as outside of India. So, and I think it's quite obvious why it needs a very wide release, because this speaks to every Indian heart. So hugely excited.
Also, everything about Varun is wide. His excitement, his energy. He's like wanting to burst out of his leather pants as we speak. I can just feel his palpable energy right now. Like he's bursting at this moment. Right now, we're trying to like literally rein him in.
So I'll let you all in on something. So before last night, I called up Karan around 12:30 or 1. Was
Your
it?
55th call.
Yeah. I told him that what should we do tomorrow? Should I speak in the Badri accent? Should I do that? And Karan was like, I beg you, just behave like a movie star.
No, he wanted to know what I was wearing.
He wanted to know what I was wearing as well.
And he wanted to know what I was
because
wearing.
of him.
I was like, how does that matter to you?
We were all summoned to send one
He's like,
picture.
don't you think you should wear something Indian? I said, I might look like that Air India Maharaj if I land up standing on that. If I wear something Indian. Like, I was like, how can you even? And then he said, no, we are wearing black and red. Why don't you also match with us also? I have a touch of red in your black. And I was like, okay.
Because it's releasing on Holi, it's a festive release, and I'm really excited. Because
So what should we do?
No, it's my
No, but
first
it's
festive release. I'm really excited.
Huh?
We don't, I mean, it's my first festive release. We never get these dates. So, I mean, we've finally I've got it after so many
You
years.
still haven't got Diwali, Eid and Christmas.
Arey, but I'll start from Holi now, then I'll keep going.
Arey, we'll also clash. Come on.
You know, you are the only person from the young lot of actors who has not delivered a flop. This is your 7th film and all your films have been successful. And now you have 2 franchises this year, that is Badrinath Ki Dulhania and Judwaa 2. So how confident are you about the 2 films and how are you looking at this year?
Honestly, I'm never confident. I believe in only one thing, and that's what my father's taught me, and that's hard work. There's no substitute for that. And like I said, I think what works, I think Alia said it very well, because we discussed how we're going to promote this film, what are we going to do, and she said that, Varun, let's just market it from our heart, not from our brain. So everything you're seeing on the stage is all heart. There's no brain, there's no science to it right now.
Shabby chic. I think it's very cool that we're going backward. My first question to Shashank.
We're going
and that is,
backwards?
Backward as in to the heartland,
to the heart.
hinterland. Backward instead of cosmopolitan. Sorry. Or New York, as you love.
He looks sexy UPite man.
Yeah, sexy UPite. That's the idea. So first, Shashank, my question to you, and is this actually something that is a trend, and are you following that in this film? And my second question, of course, is to Varun, and I believe it's Badrinath Bansal. So is there more daring or is there more dimag?
दिमाग तो है ही नहीं इस इंसान के पास, मतलब मेरे पास. जैसे कि like I said before also, it's all heart. That's how Shashank has written this character. He first does something, then he thinks of the repercussions. Something like I was like that probably when I was in college or something like that. And I think in today's day and age, we all, including the youth, including children of today, I mean, we start using our brain for everything. We'll Google something before we do something. This guy is not like that. तो कुछ करना है तो सीधा जाके कर देते हैं.
Varun, and also just to answer the first part of the question, that I come from Nasik, which you consider a small town or a 2-tier city. So I don't try and put my characters anywhere that I'm not consciously trying to make a film which is urban or rural. This is the story I know. This is the story I want to tell. I tried writing a slightly urban script after Humpty and I gave it to Karan, and his reaction was so amazing that I said I'll quickly change my line of thinking. So this is just the story I know, and this is the characters I know how to write. And I just stick to that. So there's no trend to it. It's just something which this is a story I really want to tell, and I'm just telling that.
वरुण over here.
Hi sir, how are you?
आपकी फिल्म देखकर, ये ट्रेलर देखकर गोविंदा की याद दिलाते हैं. Definitely from the childhood you've been watching him, and he's inspired you a lot. This was with a purpose, like, you know, because Govinda was liked by the masses. So, and my question is to Shashank also for this particular thing.
Do I remind you of Govinda sir?
Yes and no. I mean, we are all fans of Govinda. We've all grown up seeing his cinema, but I don't see any Govinda in Varun when I work with him or when we were preparing for the role. I think Varun is Varun, and I hope he continues working this hard and makes his own identity. So I don't see any Govinda in him, but I definitely see someone who's hardworking and wishes to keep entertaining people, and I think that's the only thing they have in common.
Yeah, that's fine. He's very talented, but just एक थोड़ी सी झलक आ जाती है मेरा कहना है. Definitely. Yeah, Varun, what have
I'll tell you honestly, as an actor, obviously I'm a very big fan of Chichi Bhaiya. I'm a very big fan of the three Khans, of Hrithik, of Akshay, of everyone who's paved the way for even for me to do cinema today. But I can't remove that. In a way, obviously they are my inspiration to be an actor. It'll be unfair if I say I saw Arnold Schwarzenegger and I said I want to become an actor of Hindi cinema. That's not true. I went to Gaiety Galaxy, I went to Chandan, and I've seen Sanjay Dutt dancing, and I've screamed. I've seen Salman Bhai's films over there, and I've been overjoyed. So in a way, all these heroes do inspire me to be a hero on screen, and somewhere in my performance they do play a part because they are an inspiration. I think every creative person does get inspired, and you have to just choose the right people you get inspired by. That, and Govinda is a great person to get inspired by.
Negative shade of Badrapur and other romantic roles.
Yeah.
So what is it regarding such roles? Are you definitely doing something as a purpose? You want to change your image, or just constantly do some other roles differently?
I don't want a change of image. My image should be this, that Varun Dhawan does films which entertains the country. And entertainment can be anything, that you can play a negative role, positive role, horror role, anything that reaches out to the entire country, not only, like Shashank said, it's not only the tier 1 cities or tier 2 cities or tier 3 cities. Everyone should be able to watch my film. Everyone should be able to understand my film. And that's the idea, that's the vision Karan has for me. And that's what he pushes me always towards, that, do films which can reach out to larger people, that everyone can understand and enjoy them. So that's the only purpose, and that is to entertain people. I get bad dreams that I'm boring people, like I'm acting and people are yawning and all. That is the biggest nightmare I get. I don't want to do that.
Karan, all holidays, dates, are really beneficial for the release of a film. People flock in. Would you take a Eid release sometime?
No.
Why?
I don't want to. That is owned by Salman Khan. And I think unless, of course, Salman and I do a film, then I would very happily arrive on Eid. Otherwise, it's best not. Look, we're here to release films in a manner that we can optimize our numbers as well. It's a clear thought. So as a producer, as a studio that we partner with, we make sure that, we come in a climate or on a day that we know we can really completely juice for various reasons. And we have to see what's coming before, what's coming after, whether it's another film from the Hindi belt or is it another Hollywood film. You have to kind of see lots of verticals when you release a film. So there's I feel like you have to really truly strategize your release as much as make your film. Even the work that we do post it is very critical about how you release it, how many screens, how you're strategizing your release, all that's very critical. So the release date is becoming more and more challenging to reach the right date for the film, So it's something that we toy with a lot.
Varun, तू बहुत दारू पिए रहा फिल्म में, तो गरियाए रहा कि नहीं? गरियाया कि नहीं कि कोई के ऊपर, दुल्हनिया के ऊपर गरियाए रहा?
नहीं. गरियाया मतलब
गाली?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. वेरी हम्बल बद्री, वेरी स्वीट बद्री. पर आपको अब अगर बिहाइंड द सीन्स हम दिखाएंगे कि एक सीन में उनको बहुत ही क्या शब्द है उसके लिए, he had to be very very drunk, okay, and he had to just be out there, and that was exactly what he was doing. He was like, Mark, Alia, I'm on Mark now, don't worry, we'll do one more for you. It's fine, don't worry, we'll do one more for you. Even then he was so giving as an actor. So that was actually the most entertaining scene I've shot. Actually, it was supposed to be emotional, but when we were calling cut, everyone behind the camera was just laughing. And he was thinking that he was absolutely sober. He was telling, Shashank, I'm fine, I'm absolutely fine. And he could not even walk.
And what about you donning the Dulhania role? You must be in a very comfortable zone now, right?
Means?
How do you explain it?
Playing a Dulhania?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this is the second time I'm a Dulhania. Actually, third time, even in 2 states I was a Dulhania. So yeah, I think Dulhania is going with my spirit. I think that is me. Alia equals to Dulhania.
But there's lots more to Vedai than you just see in this trailer. We can't obviously reveal everything. We can't reveal the twists, and because in a love story, I mean, eventually it's about the love between two people. So there are certain things which happen in this story that turn around.
What twist?
With your character, something happens.
I'm twisted.
It's quite a twisted Dulhania. ये headline बनेगा.
Hi. How was it recreating Tamma Tamma, and how was it stepping into Sanjay and Madhuri's iconic dance number?
I didn't try and step at all. I was standing many feet away. just kind of it's a literally like almost like a tribute, like when you're in a club and when you're at a party और जब पुराने गाने बजते you get so excited, you're like, oh yeah, that's our song. So it's literally that. We're not trying to recreate it, we're just so happy that this song ever existed and we're just trying to
Tamma
enjoy.
Tamma is definitely my jam for sure, and I've actually had the good fortune of working out with Sanjay Dutt in his gym to Tamma Tamma once, and I was just staring at him and that the drums were Tamma Tamma, no, he said uthana.
So did the humble Badri finally get the solution to compound interest, the formula of compound interest in the film?
वो थोड़ा कठिन है, हम थोड़ा वक्त में सीख के बताते हैं आपको.
और
If he cracks compound interest, I'm ready to salute him any point of time.
Crack it, I'll Google it.
Tell me the full form of simple interest first of all.
Simple interest equal to P into R into T divided by 100.
Full form bata.
How did you decide upon the name Badrinath? Was there any specific reason?
You mean in terms of the names or?
Yeah, the character name, Badrinath.
Right, I think it's very simple. I was writing characters from UP. Alia's character is from Kota, which is Rajasthan, but she is a UPite based in Kota, Rajasthan. So I was just trying to make my characters as authentic. Badrinath is a very endearing name, especially when you use the name Badri. And a very funny thing is Varun's best friend for about last 15 years actually calls him Badri. So when I went to narrate the script to him, I don't think so he understood the story too much, but he said, you know what? I love the name Badri because my friend calls me Badri.
This is actually a true story. It's not a lie. My best friend Kavish, he calls me Badri because we always have this joke that he said if you never made it in Hindi cinema, you would be acting in Bhojpuri cinema. So he calls me Badri. Arey Badri idhar aana. And Badri means like short form of brother for him is what he's trying to go
Kavesh,
for.
for everyone want to know,
Yeah.
is the fat kid in K3G, by the way, who plays Hrithik Jr.
आलिया लास्ट टाइम यू जिद कर रहे थे डिजाइनर लहंगा के लिए, इस बार क्या है?
इस बार पहन के आई है.
इस बार मैं पहन के आई हूँ मनीष मल्होत्रा का डिजाइनर लहंगा. इस बार जिद क्या है शशांक? इस बार जिद क्या है?
इज्जत कमाने.
And he's shown quite intelligent in the film also.
हाँ? आप बड़े शौक लग रहे हो कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट लग रही हूँ फिल्म में?
नहीं कैलकुलेशन, no, not shock.
No, you're saying it like अरे हो गया तुम्हारा, मिल गया, इंटेलिजेंट फाइनली बन गई तुम फिल्म में. हाँ, I'm the intelligent one. I'm the intelligent one in the film, yeah.
Look, I'm not going to comment on any other studios. Look, we're here for a really exciting film and we have a great journey. We've got a great partner. Hugely excited. And we are here to stay.
And please don't shut down.
We are releasing Badrinath की दुल्हनिया on March 10th.
The trailer looks amazing. Yeah, this way. Yeah. फिल्म में तो आप दुल्हनिया हैं, शर्मा रही हैं और बट ऑफ लेट आप काफ़ी बोल्ड स्टेटमेंट्स एंड इंटरव्यूज दे रही हैं, विच इज़ क्वाइट जो आपकी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर की जो इमेज है उससे हट के काफ़ी. So it's like coming out of your image?
No, I'm not trying to come out anywhere. मुझे जब पूछा जाता है क्वेश्चन तो मैं जवाब देती हूँ. And I don't ever think that even in this film I'm not shy. He is not a shy girl at all. वो मतलब बहुत ही घरेलू है. वो अच्छी बहू बनेगी शायद जैसे वरुण ने कहा. But she is not shy at all. She is very मुंहफट. तो कभी कभी मैं बोल देती हूँ, पूछा जाता है मतलब देन वाला कंप्लेन के जवाब नहीं देते, जब जवाब दे रहे तब भी कंप्लेन कर रहे.
बोल्ड मतलब क्या है? लड़का बोले तो ठीक है, लड़की बोले तो गलत है.
सही बात. दिस इज बद्री.
वरुण, आलिया, आप लोगों का करियर बहुत छोटा रहा है. अभी 2012 से आप लोगों ने शुरू किया है. जिस तरह के किरदार आप लोग निभा रहे हैं फिल्मों में, आप लोग ऐसी कोई विश है कि मैं इस तरह के किरदार आगे जाके निभाऊं? आपने बदलापुर की थी, आपने हाईवे की है, डियर जिंदगी की है, उड़ता पंजाब की है. तो कहीं एक बैलेंसिंग एक्ट है कि एक मासी फिल्म भी करनी है और ऑफ बीट फिल्में भी करनी है, या किस तरह के फ्यूचर के बारे में किस तरह से देखते हैं इसे?
सर आई थिंक मुझे बस फिल्में ही करनी है. ये जो ऑफ बीट, मासी, कमर्शियल, रियलिस्टिक फिल्म, आर्टी फिल्म, ये सब टैगलाइंस मैं जब आई थी दुनिया में मुझे सब पता नहीं था. मुझे बस पता था कि मुझे फिल्मों में काम करना है, मुझे हिंदी फिल्म हीरोइन बननी है, मुझे एक्टर बनना है, मुझे सब कुछ बनना है. तो मुझे फिल्में दी जाएगी, मैं जो मुझे पसंद आएगा मैं वो करूँगी. सो आई थिंक दैट्स माई ओनली गोल एंड एम. डू फिल्म्स एंड डू सिनेमा ऑल ओवर.
There are just two choices, a good film and a bad film. We want to do good films.
On that glorious note, thank you for your words of wisdom, Badri. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you, Varun and Alia.
Thank you all.
And the trailer's online already, ladies and gentlemen. I hope it gets all the love it deserves. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for coming.